Dear God, in this season of waiting, please help me learn the lessons you are teaching me. Strengthen me, Lord. Prepare my heart for what is coming, and guide my steps toward the paths that truly belong to me. Make me humble for whatever I have achieved, and keep me forever grateful for both the small and the grand blessings in my life. Teach me to extend these blessings to others. I truly believe in your miracles and in your power to turn any situation around. You are my source, my everything. Thank you for this life, Lord. It is not always easy, but through it all, I am growing. I will wait patiently for the perfect time that aligns with your beautiful will. Amen.